You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Intersection, where food, travel, and arts meet. Today we are going to show you a very short video on how to make fresh juice for detox. I chose to make this juice and show it to you guys so you will have a visual understanding on what we mean by a detox juice for people that has chronic kidney diseases. This ratio that we are using is the one that my mom is using every day in her juice. My mom has chronic kidney disease. This has been helping her every day to do her own detox. Detox is very important for every one of us, especially for kidney disease patients, because their kidney are not functioning 100% and they need something outside in their diet, in their dialysis, juicing, that will help them expurge all the waste product of the body. So let's get started. We have 4 fresh, simple ingredients and 1 powder ingredient. Okay, number 1 is the carrot. If you're using small carrot, we use half the carrot. But if you're using medium or large carrot, you use 1/4. And then 1/4 size of the cucumber. And then 3 stalks of celery. And 1/4 size of apple if you have big apple. But if you have small apple, you use 1/2. And then if you have access to moringa leaves, you can use 1 stalk of moringa leaves. If not, we use this moringa powder, just 1 teaspoon of this one. The reason why we follow this ratio for my mom, because we want to control the sweetness of the juice. We also want to control vitamin A, because vitamin A could be toxic for the liver and the kidney if it's too much. And we also want to control the amount of minerals from moringa. Moringa is a very powerful leaves, but because kidney patients has a very limited ability to absorb minerals, so that's why we are using only 1 teaspoon, and if you're using fresh moringa, only using 1 branch. In all the juices that I do, I usually peel the cucumber, because especially with this video, because I don't know if people are using organic or not. If you're not using organic, then you have to really peel, so just to peel off all the pesticide that was sprayed in the cucumber. And then the next one is the carrots. Let's peel the carrots. This one will fit exactly in our juicer, so we don't need to slice it. The next one is the apple. I already pre-sliced it. We make sure we took all the seeds or the core of the apple, because those are toxic. Let's start juicing. Let's start with the cucumber. The yield of this is just about less than 1 glass, so just enough for 1 day of detox for your kidney patient or somebody who wants just to do detox. Now put 1 teaspoon of moringa. Stir it. And this will be your detox juice for the day. This yields about 1/2 cup, this big cup. Because we have ice in it, so this yields about 1/2 cup. You don't want to add more apples or carrots. You can add celery, and you can also add cucumber if you want. So let's taste it. Oh, and if you have fresh moringa, you will have some spice in this one. But this is a powdered moringa. The taste of moringa is not so evident, but still good. A little bit of saltiness, very less sweet, which is good for kidney patients. And I can taste the sweetness of the carrots, but not so sweet. So, yep. 1/2 cup or 3/4 cup is enough for kidney patients to have every day. Detox is very important for every one of us, especially for kidney patients. I cannot stress enough, but I would like to tell you this, that my mom has been stable for a year now. We haven't been to the hospital for any emergency hospitalization because we've been following the diet, which is less salt, less sugar, and only fish and plant protein. And of course the detox and some other things that we do to help her every day, to make her life a quality life every day. And that's very important for kidney patients to follow.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain.